Hey there, I'm David from Kestrel and I'm going to show you CheckoutWC Lite, our WooCommerce plugin that replaces the default WooCommerce checkout with a modern conversion boosting checkout. So once you've found CheckoutWC Lite on the WordPress plugin repository, go ahead and install and activate it, and then you'll be landed on our Start Here page. From here, you can customize the checkout or you can simply activate CheckoutWC. So I've gone ahead and clicked the activate and I've saved my changes. So let's see what the checkout looks like now. So if I add a product to cart and then let's go through to the checkout, I've now got this, which is CheckoutWC, and you can see that in its default form, it is a multi-step checkout, which you can easily get through when you want to purchase. Once you're done, you click complete order and the order's gone through. CheckoutWC has got a variety of settings that you can configure. If we go to the checkout editor, this is where the majority of the settings can be configured. It shows you a preview of the checkout and you can make changes such as to the logo, typography, colors, and various other settings that might be useful for optimizing your checkout. Thanks for watching and give it a try.